Alright, let's solve this problem. Now solve 7 raised to the power of p minus 6 raised to the power of p equals to 13. We have 7 raised to the power of p minus 6 raised to the power of p equals to 13. Alright, so I find a way of expressing this 13 in terms of 7 and 6. So I have 7 raised to the power of p minus 6 raised to the power of p equals to 7 plus 6. That's the same thing as 13. And don't forget, this is also the same thing as times 1. 13 times 1 is still the same thing as 13. So I have 7 raised to the power of p minus 6 raised to the power of p equals to 7 plus 6 and 7 minus 6. Alright. Okay, so now this is difference of two squares. Principle of difference of two squares. If you have x squared minus y squared, you have x minus y, x plus y. Okay, so now this can be expressed now in this form. So we have 7p minus 6p equals to 7 squared minus 6 squared. Now when you compare with this, so we have p equals to 2. So that is the answer to the problem. Thanks for watching.